Problem number 13. Interpreting box and whisker plots. This whole entire section probably will not take you a whole lot of effort, but is basically just looking at the box and whisker plot that's provided and answering each statement. The lowest score is, well, that would be the lowest point on my box and whisker plot, 61. The highest score is, that would be the highest point on my box and whisker plot, 100. The range is from my highest point to my lowest point, so 100 minus 61, 39. The median is, we know that to be our Q2, which is the number right in the middle of the box, 84. The lower quartile is our Q1, that's 73. The upper quartile is our Q3, that's 92. The IQR we know is the distance between our upper quartile and our lower quartile. So 92 minus 73 is 19. The middle 50%. Well, in order to answer what the middle 50% is between, I need to give a set of values. So the middle 50% would be between 73 and 92. And we should recognize that the middle 50% is represented by our IQR. 25% scored below. Now again, if this represents the middle 50%, and we talked about in class how a box and whisker plot breaks our data up into even quarters, so between my first point and Q1 is 1 quarter, between Q1 and Q2 is 2 quarters, between Q2 and Q3 is 3 quarters, and between Q3 and my highest value is 4 quarters. So 25% scored below 73. Because if I look at the point 73, from this point down to 61 would be 25% of my scores. 75% scored above. Well, if 25% scored below 73, then that would mean 25, 50, 75% scored above 73. 50% scored below. So now I'm looking for the middle portion of my data, or my median, 84. 50% also scored above 84. 75% scored below, so I'm looking for where did 75% of my scores occur up to? That would be 92, which would mean 25, 50, 75% of my scores came below 92. And naturally, 25% of my scores came above 92.